All right, here we are at Secrets again. The R&M Performance Show. Awesome show. As always, I'll put a link down below. Go check out their Facebook page. See what they're doing, man. They're doing good stuff over there. Doing good stuff. So, and let's go check out some of the cars as they come in now. Ames package rolling in. '57. Sky's here. Brad's here. That's a pretty car right there. '57. I got a local PA guy. Right, here we go, getting set up. Awesome, awesome. Got the trophies here. Nice. And then the deluxe model. Got these square bodies. Y'all remember when you could pick these up dirt cheap? Now look at these things, man. Oh man. 84.
What? He said you're gonna do what? What? Her charger was the nice one. Her charger.
Flames. Big old wheels. She's pretty. Oh man. Freaking awesome. And you get one shot at it, man. All right, we're making our way up here to this 57. Man, that truck was awesome. Every year, the dude brings something different. I mean, and over the top, always over the top. So, yeah, he has some seriously nice cars. So, all right, let's go on check out this 57. Look at this. Holy smoke, right? Look at this thing. Nice spoiler on the back. Got some Hoosiers on her like the Dreamsicle does. Yeah, she's pretty. It is pretty. Wow, that's another Pro Street. I think the Dreamsicle look good with a wing. Have a look at that, gentlemen. Sweet ride, huh? Terpskis. check this bad boy out. Only thing you need is a couple of bags of candy, right? They're rolling in. Looking good, Frank. Looking good, buddy. Pretty Camaro. Nice. 71. She just won at the last show. Well deserved. Very nice car. Look at that. 71. Awesome. Good job, brother. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. Only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button. Come down here, hit that sub button. Click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. Hear that Camaro with that little small block. I this thing don't sound stout. So look at this pretty thing, boy.
For $370. All right, next we have car number 2201, a 1960 Chevy. Car number.
And they're pulling out. Oh man, fucking amazing. And once again, R&M Performance. Great job, guys. Awesome show. See you tomorrow. Sweet AMX. There you go for my AMC friends.